Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your health investments with Fidelity step by step clearly. Open a web browser and go to the Fidelity Investments website. Log in to your Fidelity account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trades section. Select Portfolio to review your current health investments. Evaluate the performance of each investment in your health portfolio. Click on investments that you're considering securing. Research the fundamentals of each selected investment. Utilize Fidelity's research tools to access market analysis and expert reviews. Assess your risk tolerance and investment goals related to health investments. Consider diversifying your health investment portfolio across various sectors. Check for any available ETFs or mutual funds focused on healthcare. Make adjustments to your portfolio based on your risk assessment and research findings. If necessary, set alerts for market changes or significant news related to your health investments. Review any fees associated with your current health investments. Consider using Fidelity's advisory services if you're unsure about your strategy. Once confident, execute the trades needed to secure your health investments. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and market conditions. Adjust your strategies accordingly to remain aligned with your health investment goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.